The Senate has condemned the abuse of firearms by personnel of the Nigerian Custom Service. This is sequel to the motion by Senator Abdulaziz Yar'adua representing Katsina Central on the urgent need to investigate the abuse of firearms by custom officers in Katsina State. Senator Yar'adua said in the last 3 years, several killings and attacks on innocent citizens by custom officers has occurred in Katsina State. He further argued that the inability to checkmate this recurring issue will lead to destruction of lives and possibly reprisal attacks by civilians.
The House of Representatives on 3rd February 2022 ordered the Nigerian Custom Service to pay 390 million naira as compensation to families of 10 victims that were killed and 13 others injured in the local government area of Katsina State. Order discharged that on 13 July 2023, the Chief of Staff to the Katsina State Governor, Alhaji Jafar Saudi, had a narrow escape from a harrowing assault from Nigerian Custom Service officials. Worried that officers of the Nigerian Custom Service at a location near Bura Emma Highway shot indiscriminately at the vehicle conveying the Chief of Staff to the Governor with other aides and close family members. He just managed to escape with his life. Concerned that officials of the Nigerian Custom Service are yet to apprehend or arrest the area officers or bring them to book for the unfortunate incident.
During the debate, senators argued that abuse of firearms by custom officers has become a nationwide crisis as severe cases are reported across the country. They urged the Nigerian Custom Service to fish out erring officers and investigate events that led to opening of firearms on innocent citizens.
I believe that whoever is with a bullet, just one bullet, whether it is customs or police or any armed forces or security agencies, must account for that bullet when it is not available anymore. I know that in the armed forces, you have to explain where a bullet has gone. I don't know whether that applies to customs, but the issue is there must be reward and sanctions. For those that have killed or maimed people, there must be consequences.
This motion is not calling for punishment of the erring officers only. He is saying that we should have to, the Senate has to set up a committee to investigate. Distinguished colleagues, Mr. President, if this Senate rises up after our investigation to recommend punishments for these erring officers, if they are found guilty, it will send a signal to other people who carry arms and feel that they can go do anything and get away with it.
I want to agree that there is urgent need for us to review the activities of the Nigerian Custom in our borders across this country. This indiscriminate killing is just getting too much. Mr. President, in my senatorial district, every month, one person must lose his or her life to the Nigerian Custom. Every month, once a month. Once a month. And what is the reasons? The reasons are the bag of rice, they have come to pick some baby flour or whatever. Sir, that we have border in our senatorial, it's not our making.
Following a voice note that went in favor of the majority, the Senate set up an ad hoc committee to look into the abuse of firearms by custom officers and report back within 6 weeks.
That by the time he visited a particular community, those who voted for us in 2015, over 10 of the boys are died. And they were all shot by custom, shot by custom, shot by custom. So it means that it's something that we must look at holistically. why are they doing it? And somebody, even if you bought rice in the market, you could also be shocked. That is a simple truth. May not necessarily be small.
The Senate urged the Nigerian Custom to improve on the personal training, especially fire discipline when dealing with citizens.